So if you guys want to move your characters just like this, you can implement this technique in any game, and it's so cool just moving a character with your arrow keys. And I think it's super simple. This is probably the easiest tutorial that you're gonna see so far. So stay tuned and watch this entire tutorial, because I'm gonna bet you're gonna learn something new. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do once you get in Scratch is you want to just go in the event section and take the when flag clicked block. This is the most important block in my opinion. Obviously, you want to save your project, and you want to always name your project. So this helps you to be more organized. And I'm going to be naming the project arrow keys. Alrighty, now we're going to be going to control section. We're going to be getting the forever loop. And I'm not going to place it because I'm going to try to teach you guys something, okay? We're going to go and we're going to get the if then block. Basically, this is like a conditional loop, a conditional block loop, or anything that you can say. And we want to go in sensing. Then we're gonna get the key space pressed. We don't want the key space though. We want to change it to up arrow. And then now we want to go in motion, and we want to get change y by 10. Basically, we got y and not x because the y-axis always goes up like that, and the x goes sideways. So keep that in mind. We're just gonna duplicate that. That's gonna go on the bottom. Choose that. So down arrow. Instead of 10, since we're gonna go down, we have to choose -10. Now we're just gonna duplicate both again, and now we're gonna do left and right. So right arrow and then left arrow. Right arrow 10, left arrow -10. Boom, perfect. But guess what? It's not gonna work, and I'll tell you why. You see, I'm clicking the green flag, but it's not working. The program's like stopping in like 0.5 seconds or something. So this is why we need to add another loop, which is the forever loop. And this is, I still get stuck in this sometimes. I literally wonder like, hey, why is my code not working? And then realize there's no forever loop, and then I have to add that back. But anyways, yes, you have to add a forever loop. Well, you might think it's gonna work, but let me tell you something. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. But when I click left, it's gonna go down. When I click right, it's gonna go up. You know why? Because I didn't change the y and the x's. I kept change by y. We need to add change x by 10, and then change x by -10 if you want to go left. Now let's try up, down, left, right. Beautiful, perfect. And that is exactly how to move a character with your arrow keys. And remember guys, you can even do it with any other letters. So you can do S, you can do, I don't know if you want to do any. If you click any, it's gonna go down. So I wouldn't recommend any though, to be honest. But we're just gonna keep it up, down, left, and right for now. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, please subscribe and like this video. Share this video to others. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.